to show you something.
What is it, Kiruchu? Why'd you drag me here?
Shh! Watch and see. Why won't she take the seeds?
Maybe she's full. Wow! I only have 4 seeds today.
I don't think that's enough.
Well, let's try and we'll see. Wow! I got a ton of seeds today. 22 in all.
Nice. Let's just put out half. Why won't she take them?
I don't understand. On the first day, she wouldn't take 7, but then she did take 6.
Then yesterday, with 4 seeds, she took them just like that.
Today we put out 11, but she wouldn't take them.
Try putting them all out.
Wow!
What are you doing, Kibena?
Following her. I want to know if sometimes she'll take the seeds and sometimes she won't.
Kibena! Kibena!
One for you, one for you, one for you, and one for you.
She's got 2 chicks.
You're shocked that she has chicks, but not that she can speak? Listen to her.
One for you, one for you.
So that's
and
it.
one
She
for
only
you.
takes amounts that she can divide by 2.
I get it. 6 can be divided by 2.
And 4 and 22 can be divided by 2.
But 7 and 11 cannot be divided by 2.
What do you think you are doing? Are you trying to steal my chicks?
No, Mama Ndege. We want to know why you only take groups of seeds that can be divided by 2.
Can't you see? I've got 2 children. They need to get equal amounts. So I choose even numbers.
Even numbers? What are those?
Even numbers are numbers that can be divided by 2.
Those other numbers that cannot be divided by 2, what are they?
What? Don't you know? Those are called odd numbers. There are even numbers and there are odd numbers. Even numbers can be divided by 2 and odd numbers cannot.
Even numbers, odd numbers, odd numbers, even numbers. They can be divided by 2. Odd numbers cannot be divided by 2. Even numbers, they can be divided by 2. Odd numbers cannot be divided by 2.
I know you are watching me. So now you know about even and odd numbers. But there is another way to group numbers that I want you to know about. There are special numbers called the prime numbers.
Mama Ndege, what are prime numbers?
Tiny Temple, we meet at last. All I ever hear is Tiny Temple this, Tiny Temple that. And now I finally get to meet you in person.
I'm pleased to meet you too, Mama Ndege. I've heard that word behind the verse is that you really know your math.
Who told you that? Is that my reputation around here?
Yep.
Is that why you asked me about prime numbers?
Yep.
I know about prime numbers. Prime numbers are only divisible by themselves and 1. Do you understand?
I have no idea what you mean.
It's like this. I'm going to give you an example. Take a look at this number. 3. If you have 3 things and you give them to one kid, how many things will that kid have? Think before you say the answer, Tiny Tembo.
Well, he'll have all 3, right?
You got it right. You got it. I think you are getting the picture. Now in math, we will record that 3 divided by 1. The answer is 3. Now if you say 3 divided by 3, what will you get?
Let me think about that one. If we have 3 pumpkins and 3 juniors, each junior will get 1 pumpkin. Aha! 3 divided by 3 is 1.
Nice tiny tembo. You are a sharp one, aren't you? You see, the first time we got 3 as an answer, and the second time we got 1 as the answer, right?
That's right.
Now be careful when you listen to me here, tiny tembo.
I'm listening.
Prime numbers can be divided only by 1 and themselves. Look at this 5. It cannot be divided by anything other than 1 and itself.
What about 7?
7 is also prime.
What about 9?
Don't dare call 9 a prime number. Let's take a look at it. 9 divided by 1 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 9 divided by 9 is 1. The number 9 has lost the characteristics of a prime number. So, why is this so? Can you figure it out?
Because it can be divided by more than itself and 1.
Now, look at you. Now you have got it. I knew you could.
Yeah, I understand it now. Thanks, Mom and Daddy.
Okay, now before you go, let's sing a song. I will teach you.
Okay, we'll sing it together.
So, you want me to teach you? Sing after me. Even numbers, they can be divided by 2.
Even numbers, they can be divided by 2.
Odd numbers cannot be divided by 2.
Odd numbers cannot be divided by 2.
Prime numbers can only be divided by themselves and 1.
Prime numbers can only be divided by themselves and 1.
Hey kids! Kibena needs your help! Help her pick the right number! Aha! That's it! All of you can help Kibena out using an Android smartphone. Download our Math Rats app, which has versions in both English and Kiswahili. Ask a parent or adult to help you. Then go to the Google Play Store and search for Ubongo Kids. Pick the app in the language you want and click Install to download it for free. Open it up and you'll have a fun, new educational app to play anytime you want. Need help? Just visit our Facebook page and we're here to help you out. Download it and we'll see you on the phone.
Mathematics, 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 how I love it. Mathematics, Sing about the magic of mathematics,
What is mathematics? Mental acrobatics every day, all the time. Just use your mind. You use math when you measure width and length, solving problems using mental strength. Use number operations like multiplication. The number you'll find is like magic from your mind. Math is a part of everyday life. Just add, subtract, divide, and multiply. Can you solve the problem? Did you get the answer? Just use your brain and you can do it, sir. Now, don't you rush it. Just take it slow. You must be careful. Don't you know? You use math for all things in life. When you eat ugali, you count your bites. In a parade, count the steps you take. Just listen when I rap. I'm using math. Calculate the distance when you drive your car, so you will know if you have gone far. Here's something else for you to count. Can you count the teeth in my mouth? We can measure width, length, and depth and represent with X, Y, and Z. Math is used for everything. Just do the numbers in your head. Now try to add up all the spots on my neck. How many do you see? And I even use math to get leaves off the tree.
Mathematics, mathematics, mathematics,
Okay.
Mathematics, how I love it. Mathematics, Sing about the magic of mathematics. Mathematics, Making number magic with mathematics. Mathematics, Sing about the magic of mathematics. Mathematics,
Never miss out on new Ubongo Kids videos ever again. Subscribe today and become the first to know every time new fun educational content is available. Simply type Ubongo Kids English on the search bar. Click on the Ubongo Kids English channel page. Click subscribe on the right-hand corner of your screen. What are you waiting for? You are 3 easy steps away from joining the Ubongo Kids family.